Jamie, your thoughts on this? The defendant himself. I mean, I don't want to be rude or anything, but he kind of looks the part on some level too. It's not. It's like no. I guess anybody sitting there would look creepy with the facts of this case. How do you deal with something like this as a defense attorney?
I agree with both of my colleagues. I think that you need to take it head on and probably own it to some degree and don't allow the jury to be surprised by it. I agree with Adam. I think it's prejudicial, and I expect that counsel in this case, counsel that's assisting the defendant will make some objections as to the cumulative nature of some of this evidence. I think they can probably get their point across by showing some photographs, and I think they don't need to see all of the pphotographs. At some point in time, it will become cumulative. And, a case like this, if you're a prosecuting attorney, you clearly have a very strong case. And, the last thing you want to do is allow evidence to come in that could open up the door for an appeal.
If you're a juror, you're going to be worried about your neighbor. I mean, you're the guy that didn't convict the kid, and there was a head and a pie, the whole thing. I mean, it adds another level.
It does. I think there's going to be a lot of pressure on this jury, and I don't know how much of a role the defendant is going to play in his own defense. It appears, based on reports, a significant amount. But with that said, his assisting counsel should be trying to go for the flyer. This case is so unbelievable that if there's a possibility for this man to walk or get a hung jury, it's that one or two people just can't believe that a son would do this to his parents. And it's not necessarily the most reliable legal defense, but I don't know that these folks have a lot more to work with at this point in time.
Yeah.